Get into the 2020 Dodge Journey. This vehicle is an outstanding buy with fewer than 10,000 miles on the odometer. On road trips or the daily drive, the Journey has you covered with third-row seating, advanced safety features, cargo capacity, and technology that keeps you connected and entertained. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: electronic stability control, universal garage door opener, trip computer, bucket seats, power windows, four-wheel disc brakes, power steering. High-tech and powerful meets passenger-centered comfort in the Journey. Take it out for a spin.